you need. Ooh. What's up, y'all? So if y'all see the reflection in my glasses right now, I don't care because I'm feeling myself. I'm coming to you guys today to show you how I got this look, this wave, this nice everything, and I am living for it. I love it. I'm about to take some bomb ass pictures, so if you do not follow me on Instagram, please do so you can catch this wave that I'm about to give you guys. But that's all I want to link down below where I got mine from. Sorry if I sound weird or sound like I have a lisp or anything, because I did get a tooth removed, so that's why I sound probably weird. But yes, that is what I'm bringing you guys today, and we're gonna get right into this tutorial.
At this, I'm going to put some deep ass waves in my hair. You can already see a little bit of how it looks because your girl couldn't wait. Your girl had to make sure this blue hair was going to look like the waves that it's supposed to look like.
The star of the show is the BedHead Wave Artist. I got mine from Walmart for $26. That was the total price with the taxes and everything. It was $26. It's like a great tool because it has like a
open and lock where you can press it and it opens, or you can lock it back and it stays locked. It has adjustable for the heat. You can make it super high, super low.
So I'm gonna unlock mine and turn it on, and it has the light to show that it's on. I'm going to clip away this, twist this side and clip it so that it's not in my way. And I'm gonna work on this side. So
okay, it's super high, so I'm gonna turn it on low because I can smell that it's super hot. Your girl ain't gonna burn these bundles too.
You gotta make sure you get a hold of it. And I'm not too much focused on the roots at the back of my hair because I just want the wave to be like a wave.
See? It has this part that you can, like, you know, hold on to, make it close, and it doesn't get hot. But I definitely don't need that. And the lower you get, the more wave you're gonna get because it's thinning out, basically, the hair.
One's down, 100 more to go.
So I'm just gonna go about doing it. And I really be needing the clips at the top, like when I'm going to the top, because that's where I really be like wanting it to go from the root.
Next.
Now I'm gonna be taking like angled pieces so that it just all isn't the same type of wave. I don't want that at all. But once you're like, when you're toward the top, you have to hold it for like a while longer because it's more hair, like it's thicker toward the root.
Now you're gonna really get your wave to be a wave. Now we're gonna speed this process up. And I'll see you guys when I get to the top.
I'm back. Now I'm at the top of my head. This was a freaking long process, like a long AF process. Now I have the top of my head on each side, and like I was saying before, the top is where I really want it to be, like from the root. Now when doing this is on high. Let me lower this, turn it down some, because it does like create like steam and stuff from your hair. But what I have found when doing this, the way you keep the wave like super tight. Okay, let me show you guys. I'm really at the root of my hair. See the steam? You clamp it and then you press in. See how I just did that? I'll show you guys again. Clamp it and press in so the wave keeps like scrunching itself up. Being that there's still heat in the hair, if you stretch it
and do it, it's just not gonna create the wave that you like, you know, going for. You want this look. So and that is the wave that you got in the front. Fix my kinks as far as my closure goes. Bring this hair to the front, y'all. Bow. Oh my gosh, I am in love.
Your girl is in the freak love. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Bomb ass. This is the finished product. This is the product. This is what I thought I was gonna get. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Oh, just look at the waves. Just from back. Oh my gosh, look at the waves. I'm gonna put all the hair to the